So guys, working on altering a spark plug extender to help with the O2 sensor. Increasing the size of the hole. Hypothetically speaking, leave a comment. Let me know if you want to get the link to the tools I use to alter metal objects. Always use precaution. Eye gear. You see, that's how you make the hole bigger. Like and subscribe for more. Alright, so this is what it looks like once you get it complete. Make the hole enough and make that extension. This is for off-road use only in your own yard. You can use this if the light bothers you. If not, then you just leave it without the light. But I like to have without the light, off-road use only. And this is what it looks like after you alter it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you.